people very rarely think about to create cash flow in their business is by building business credit. So many entrepreneurs that I know start out by pulling their personal credit, tapping into credit lines that they have available, and then using that to start their business. But if you build out your business credit profile and you continue to establish business trade lines in your business name, what you've done is now you've created cash flow.
Please, explain it to me.
For instance, we have one trade line alone that's a $40,000 trade line. I can do an entire flip on that one trade line. And then I don't have to tap into my cash at all. I'm using that trade line, and then when my property is sold or refinanced, I simply pay that trade line back. So I'm creating cash flow by not using the cash the way that I would normally have used it. I'm also going outside and stepping back and going, yes, I could use my cash, but this is the better way, is to utilize this. So by building business credit, many folks have reached out to us to learn how to establish business credit. And by doing so, it's enabled them to create a much larger cash flow in their own personal business, whether it's a real estate business, whether it's a cleaning business, whether it's a tile or a painting business. It doesn't matter what the business is, credit is all the same, and it's all established in the same way. So we're happy to help show you how to do that.